Today, I'm bringing you a recipe that's a total game changer. Zero greasiness, can't stop eating tuna kimbap.
If you're bored of the same old tuna kimbap, you need to try this. We're dicing up spicy chilies and pickled radish for that perfect crunch and a super clean finish. This play-by-play recipe will pull in the views.
Welcome. Let's make a no-grease tuna kimbap. First, place nori on the mat and add rice, tuna, and lettuce. Roll it tightly using the mat. Now, slice into pieces and enjoy.
First things first, open that tuna can and dump it into a strainer. Use a spoon to press down and get all that oil out. You want it dry so your kimbap stays fresh and doesn't get soggy. Trim the stems off your paella leaves. Now for the secret weapon, slice the spicy chilies, scoop out the seeds, and mince them fine. Do the same with the pickled radish. Rinse it, pat it dry to that addictive crunch and spicy kick. Grab a bowl and toss in your dry tuna, minced chilies, and pickled radish. The gochugaru adds a nice pop of color and totally kills any heavy, greasy taste.
First, a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, followed by a pinch of salt, and mix it all together. This balanced seasoning is the key.
Lay the seaweed down with the rough side up. Spread the rice over 2/3 of the sheet. Place 2 paella leaves. Pro tip, roll the paella leaves over the tuna first, then roll the whole kimbap. This keeps the filling neat and tidy.
Brush a little sesame oil over your beautiful rolls and sprinkle some more sesame seeds, and you're done. Every bite is an explosion of savory, spicy goodness.
Trust me, with this recipe, you'll end up eating at least 2 more rolls than you planned. Happy cooking! Hey everyone, shoot's canceled. The whole thing's a mess. I can't work like this. It's total chaos. I'm done for today. See you next time.
Guys, this kimbap is actually dangerous. That spicy chili, it's a literal game changer. I told myself just 1 bite, but that crunch, I lost my mind. Round 2, let's go.
Wait, director, it's all gone. What do we do? There's literally nothing left to film.
And then, my PD hit me with the truth. The food baby is taking over the frame. Wrap it up. Wrap it up! Recipe is in the pinned comment, guys. I'm off to chug some plum tea.
Sub or this kimbap will haunt your dreams. Let me know what Korean food you want to see next in the comments. See ya!